Hello children, class 7th exercise 11.3 question number 5. From a circular sheet of a radius 4 centimeter, एक circular sheet है और radius कितना है 4 centimeter, a circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed. इतना radius 3 centimeter वाला circle we have to remove. Find the area of the remaining sheets. This time the pi's value is given 3.14. Now what is given? There are two circle. Question number 5. The circular sheets. The radius is given 4 centimeter and the circle radius is given 3 centimeter, and they told the 3 centimeter is removed it. So how we going to remove? First I find the area of circular sheets. Area of this circular sheet, what is the formula? Pi r square. Pi's value they have given 1.14 and the radius is given 4 into 4. Okay, this is the area, and the circle for this also radius is given. Again I will find the area, that is the formula will be same, pi r square, that is 3.14 into 3 into 3. So first calculation this 3.14, 4 4s are 16, so I am multiplying with 16, 6 4s are 24, 6 7 8, 6 3s are 18, 4 1 3, 4 12, 1 8 9, 10 1 3 4 5. Now decimal के बाद 2 digit, तो decimal will come after 2 digit 1 2 के बाद. तो what is the area of this? It is 50.24 area है तो centimeter square. And now area of this I will multiply. 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36, 9 10 11 12, 1 27 28 into, okay, this is your 9 4s are now this is 2 है, 2 के बाद will come, तो your final answer is 28.26. and this area I have to remove from this circle and I will get the area of remaining partner sheet. So you will find area of this. So what is that? 50 minus 24 minus 28.6. So you will get, again I am doing rough work here, 50 28.26 carry 14 miss 6 8 1 9 1 11 miss 2 9 9 miss 8 1 and 4 miss 2 2. So your answer 21.98 centimeter square. This is your final. Now we'll take question number 6. Question number 6 is Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table cover. एक टेबल का कवर है, सर्क्यूलर टेबल कवर है, एंड साइमा वांट टू पुट अ लेस, उसने कोई ग्लेस लगानी है ऑफ डायामीटर क्या है दैट सर्क्यूलर टेबल कवर की 1.5 मीटर डायामीटर दिया है. वी कैन फाइंड द रेडियस. रेडियस इज ऑलवेज हाफ ऑफ डायामीटर. Find the length of the lace. We have to find the length of the lace, means perimeter, circumference of the circle required, and also find it cost if 1 meter of the lace cost is rupees 15 and the pi value is given 3.14. Question 6. What is given? Circular table है. टेबल कवर का डायामीटर इज गिवन, that is 1.5 meter. Radius is always half of the diameter. Point हट गया, यहाँ 0. Okay, तो it is become 15/20. 5 3s are 5 4s are. The answer is 3/4. I am not doing in decimal, I am keeping as it is fraction में. And what we have to find? We have to find the circular cover है, and the Saima want to put a lace on the border of the this circular cover. तो हमने क्या फाइंड करना है? circumference. ओके, circumference of circular table cover. तो फॉर्मूला क्या है? 2πr. आर मिल गया, पाई की वैल्यू दे हैव गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन 1.34, दैट इज 2 इंटू 3.14. रेडियस कितना है? 3/4. 2 1s are 2 2s are. ओके, नाउ आई एम टेकिंग 2 1s are 2 पॉइंट आ गया, 1 2 5s are 0.7s are. तो नाउ 1.57 विल बी मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3. 3 7s are 27. 3 5s are 15 16 17. 1 3 1s are 3 4. 2 के बाद 7 3s are 21. ओके, नाउ 2 के बाद 1 2, तो डेसिमल कम य. तो व्हाट इज द सर्कमफ्रेंस? 4.71. सर्कमफ्रेंस है तो विल राइट इन मीटर ओनली. एंड द अदर क्वेश्चन वी हैव टू फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ द लेस ऑल्सो. दैट 4 point इतनी लंबी लेस चाहिए. वी वॉन्ट द लेंथ ऑफ, दिस इज द लेंथ ऑफ द लेस. तो वी हैव टू फाइंड 4.71 मल्टीप्लाई बाय कॉस्ट कितनी है? 15 एंड मल्टीप्लाई. आई एम डूइंग योर रफ वर्क. 15 5 1s are 5 5 7s are 30 5 5 4s are 20 21 22 23. Again 1 7 4 5 6 10 1 4 5 6 7. 2 के बाद put 2 के, तो that is 70.65. This is the cost. This, if you like this video, like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you children.